Okay, this question is implicit differentiation. X cubed plus y cubed is equal to 6xy. Remember, with implicit differentiation, you take the derivative of everything, but you cannot take the derivative of the y's without putting a y prime beside it. So, go through and take the derivative. That'll be 3x squared plus 3y squared, and I'm going to put in red, I'm going to put y prime is equal to, now the difference in this one and the other ones we went in during class is that this one has an xy with it. In previous problems, give you an example, in previous problems we had x squared plus y squared is equal to 6. And these are two different animals because this has an xy beside it, this one doesn't. So we got to use the product rule here. You pull the 6 out, constant rule in derivatives, so you can pull the 6 out. First times the derivative of the second, and I'm going to, that'll be 1 times y prime plus the second y times the derivative of the first, which is 1. 3x squared plus 3y squared y prime is equal to 6 brackets x y prime plus y. Now I'm going to distribute the 6 because calculus is over. Calculus was over up here. So 3x squared, sorry, plus 3y squared y prime is equal to 6x times y prime plus 6y. Now once you've got it all cleaned up, now you got to solve for y prime. So in order to solve for y prime, you've got to get all the y primes on one side and all the other stuff on one side. So I'm going to take this 3x squared, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to take this 3y squared, and I'm going to bring it over here, or you can bring the 6y over here. Doesn't matter. Well, let's just do that. Let's just 3y squared y prime minus 6x y prime, is equal to, bring this 3x over, 3x squared over, now you got the y primes in common, so you can factor out a y prime. That will leave you with 3y squared minus 6x equals negative 3 x squared plus 6y. Now divide by 3y squared minus 6x. Divide by 3y squared minus 6x. Now you can factor out a 3. Factor out a 3. Don't factor out a negative 3 because it's not going to help. So y prime, that goes out and that goes out, is equal to, I'm going to factor out a 3 here and a 3 here. And that's going to leave you with negative x squared plus 2y, and this is going to be y squared minus 2x. And the 3's cancel. And your final answer is 2y minus x squared over y squared minus 2x. And that's how you implicitly differentiate. See if I can bring it down a little bit. X cubed plus y cubed is equal to 6xy.